Hi everyone, my name is Miguel Saavedra and welcome to my course, Create and Manage Stacks with AWS CloudFormation using the AWS Management Console. I have worked with the cloud for several years and I have automated everything from PCI-compliant infrastructure to multi-environment CI/CD pipelines. Some people who have started their cloud journey have tried provisioning several resources from the console. You've probably realized the hassle of pointing, clicking, and configuring all of these resources by hand. Now imagine if you have 50 projects with 4 environments per project, how are you now going to provision your infrastructure? In this course, we're going to learn about how to automatically provision your infrastructure using CloudFormation. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the concept of infrastructure as code, the basics of writing a CloudFormation template, how to create stacks on the console, and how to manage changes to your stack. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics of writing a CloudFormation template and how to deploy it using the console. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basic foundational services on AWS. Background on CloudFormation is suggested, but not necessarily required. If you don't know where to begin, I suggest watching Understanding AWS Core Services by David Tucker and AWS CloudFormation Templates Getting Started by James Milliar. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into the following CloudFormation courses available here on Pluralsight. I hope you'll join me in this Pluralsight course to learn more about the wonders of automation with this CloudFormation course here at Pluralsight.